I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches.
Winter in Texas, it is not supposed to be this cold.
Which is why we're excited to take you back to Bryce Canyon National Park.
Yes, this has been a fun video to relive. 70s and sunny.
Ooh, miss those days.
Yeah, I know.
So we're leaving our boondocking spot in Capitol Reef National Park. They're heading to Bryce Canyon.
It's such a special place and easily one of our favorite national parks.
So come with us as we triathlon through Bryce Canyon, where we do some hiking, we do some swimming,
yep,
and we do some biking.
Where are we at?
Bryce.
We're at Bryce. We made it. Back to full hookups. Look at that water run, baby. Where are we headed?
I'm going to Bryce Canyon National Park. We were here. Yesterday was a down day. Got to lay the land. Well, lay the camper at least.
Caught up on laundry and cleaning and
Yeah, lots.
it's anything but a down day.
But in the camper nonetheless. Going to Bryce. Gonna go hike the Navajo Trail, Queens
Garden.
Queens Garden, yeah. Loop. So about yeah.
All right, this next stop, just beyond the stop sign, will be the visitor center.
Our first hike, Navajo Loop to the Queens Garden. Wall Street, Bryce Canyon. Hiking the Navajo Trail Loop. We just came down Wall Street, and man, that's a pretty amazing views. Now we're going into the canyon here.
The National Park Service runs a Hike the Hoodoos challenge, and we had fun getting pictures with all the hoodoos in the park. The word hoodoo means to bewitch, which is what Bryce Canyon's rock formations surely do. Hoodoos are tall, skinny shafts of rock that protrude from the bottom of arid basins. They almost look like totem poles. While hoodoos are scattered throughout the high plateau region of the Colorado Plateau and in the Badland regions of the northern Great Plains, nowhere in the world are they as abundant as in Bryce Canyon National Park.
It's the Navajo Loop. That's the Peekaboo Trail Loop.
We're deciding.
That's the Queen's Garden Loop that way, which is where we're going. And then that's back. That's the Navajo Loop return. So we came from over here, which goes to the Wall Street. So we're going counterclockwise. We're gonna go Queen's Garden, and we're gonna end up at the general store. But if you wanted to go back to Sunset Point, that's where you would go. But we're going this way.
So here's the thing. We were just kidding about the ice cream.
What? I want ice cream.
Guess what? I was kidding. But
I
I was
want
kidding.
ice cream.
I was kidding that I was kidding. There is ice cream. JKK.
Hey!
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Make sure everybody crosses the street safely, okay? You're welcome.
Make sure.
The next outing was north of the park towards Tropic. We went to Mossy Cave, which is at the end of a short hike. The Tropic Ditch was also a sight to see. Pretty amazing that this water canyon was built by Mormon pioneers in 1890 with picks and shovels. Every year since its completion in 1892, except during the drought of the 2002, this canal has supplied the communities of Tropic and Canyonville with irrigation water.
So windy but beautiful.
You can hear me, but it's really windy up here at the top of Mossy Cave. It's starting to settle down now. Thank you so much.
Top of Mossy Cave.
It's windy.
Mossy Cave Trail, it's really windy. Got a little wind pocket. Just behind the bridge, it's blow your hat on type windy.
They're proud of us.
Yeah, did a pretty good hike.
And my favorite way to end a hike. Afterwards, we headed over to the little town of Tropic, had dinner at a restaurant, and picked up some groceries.
I promise it's not that bad. Not that bad. Not that. That's not that much. I promise.
Mommy, should I do it?
Yeah.
Do it.
I still get to go on the wrong thing.
Well, not with me.
Over there. Ruby's Inn is like its own little resort. It's small, it's quaint, and has everything you actually need within a very small vicinity.
Finally got to do it. What are you doing?
Can't believe I don't have this on my downloaded playlist.
The other really neat thing about Ruby's Inn in Bryce Canyon is if you're there at the campground during the off season, you have privileges to use the hotel's indoor pool and hot tub, which we took advantage of pretty much every night.
Nice. You're almost there.
All right, good job, dude.
Go another?
You want to?
Sure.
Okay.
You're in the shop.
And what was really fun is in the evenings in the hot tub, we met people from all over the world. It was pretty incredible to see the distances that people travel to see our national park system.
And hear their stories of all their parks that they've gone to.
Yes.
So we hiked and swam in Bryce Canyon. Now we bike. Bryce Canyon has the best biking trail system that we've ever seen in a national park. It's really a neat way to see the park from a different perspective. Go, 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 go.
It doesn't care actually.
Good job, bud. Doing it the old-fashioned way. Right here.
We don't have electric bikes. They're burners.
Cooler of like adult drinks, all kinds of chips and snacks. Now we know that it's a cute little place to sit on the porch.
Okay. Like, did you guys go that way?
No, because McDonald's doesn't have a stop.
Ah. All right, now we get to stop and dismount.
Wow, that hurt.
We were getting close to Mother's Day and the boys appeased me by going into the lodge and doing a little shopping. We typically don't do souvenirs for obvious reasons, but this just shows you how much we were loving Bryce. I got a pair of earrings as an early Mother's Day present. We got a new game, Camp Scrabble, which is great for younger kids, and both the big boys got t-shirts. After shopping, we headed to the visitor center to get our Junior Ranger badges.
All right, congratulations. Welcome to the Bryce Canyon Junior Rangers. There you go, guys.
Actually go on your left though.
Close enough.
Mommy's learning bike etiquette. Perfect.
Thank you. Over a week in Bryce Canyon. There's really no way to fit it all into one episode.
So we're breaking it up into 2 episodes. Make sure you catch the next one next week. We're going to leave you here with some footage of the Kyle Petty charity ride leaving Ruby's Inn.
It was a really cool sight to see. So many motorcycles convene in Bryce Canyon.
For the first time in its history, the ride started and ended in the same city, Phoenix, Arizona. Former NASCAR driver and NBC Sports racing analyst Kyle Petty led 225 participants on one of the ride's most scenic routes ever. On April 30th, Petty and the riders left Phoenix, riding more than 1,500 miles through Arizona and Utah over 7 days before returning to Phoenix on May 6th. This year, the ride raised $1.8 million to benefit Victory Junction, a camp in North Carolina servicing children with chronic and serious medical issues.